Dear student, now today I am going to show you some basic function of the string as I implement the string there and how to use the string. So let us go to the first program. See here in this particular program what I have used a center method. Okay, to bring in center. Now center can be in the any place or any form that you can go through it. Now what is the center? Here you see that the first part, what is that? In the first part I have taken one string. This is the string Techno India I have taken as a string, and as I have taken the Techno India as a string, what I said, where I have placed it in s variables. So as soon as I have placed it in the s variables, now here I am calling the s variable center 15. Clear? So and second one, what I said, s center 25, then some asterisk mark. Now 15 means what? That you see here how many alphabets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then one gap is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 variables are there. In these 12 variables, what you will going to see it, that from the first it has taken 2 place. Okay, so then this 12 has been placed. So 12 plus 2 means how much? 14. And at the back it has left one place. So you say, sir, where is the place? All the places are there. No, that is not the actual scenario. Actual scenario is that if you place it, there is 15 place it has given for it. So in this 15 place, what it has done, it want to place the thing in a center. So it has find it that if I placed in this way, that means it is machine's assumption. If it place in this way, leaving the 2 place from the front and the back, there will be a many space, so it can be easily adjusted there. So based on this scenario, the machine has placed this particular thing, this particular word in this particular format. That means, and next one you see what is center 25. 25 means 12, and from here and from this side it has taken all total 25 places. So in 25 places it has put the particular thing in a center. Okay, so many question may I say, then how can you adjust, how can you find the center? You will not find the center, you will give a length. Okay, you will going to describe the length. How, what is the length? Like here I have given the length is 15, here I have given the length is 25. So when I have given the length is 15 or 25, what will happen? Now computer will take this particular variable. What variable? I am calling the s in one, s in the center function. So it will call this s. What is stored in s? In the s it is stored Techno India. So this particular thing, this particular word will be taken and it will be placed as per or as according to the specification that is been specified here. Okay, so this is how your word will be placed in the center position as the thing has been described here. So this is how your, this is the designing. Why I have given this? I have given this so that you can count it, that how it is taking the 25 places. Previous part you cannot count it, that it is taking out 25 places, but in this particular place you can count it, that how many you count this particular ones here 12, and from this side and this side you will see this total is 25. Okay, so this is how you can use this particular center function to implement in your Python program. So this is a string. That is what I am saying. This is the data type of the string, and in this data type of the string, these are the basic implementation of the string that can be utilized. Okay, so basic implementation of the string is utilized with what? That has been used with a center function. That means I have used here a center function, I have called here a center function, and calling the center function, what has been done? The thing has been placed. Okay, so you don't have to do anything, you will just going to give the length. Based on the length, the work will be conducted. Yeah, so this is how you can implement this particular structure, you can implement this particular scenario in a format that is called a string implementation with the help of a center. That means it is implementing a center in this particular basic form. So center applications in your Python program. Okay, so this is how you can implement the center in your particular program that will be there in your Python programming. So this is how you're designing. Designing is basically for the purpose that you will going to have the